Hey there! Tired of spending hours cleaning your floors? The NARWAL Flow robot vacuum and mop combo is here to change the game. With 22,000 pascals of powerful suction, it picks up dust, crumbs, pet hair, and dirt in seconds. Its dual-camera AI navigation lets it map your home, avoid obstacles, and even clean around furniture with precision. No getting stuck, no wasted time. The real magic? The FlowWash Real-Time Self-Cleaning Mop. It mops, rinses, and keeps itself clean as it moves, so your floors get a streak-free shine every time. From hardwood and tiles to carpets and rugs, it transitions seamlessly, while edge cleaning ensures every corner, nook, and tight space is spotless. Even tricky areas along walls or under furniture get attention. No detail is missed. And convenience? Off the charts. The self-emptying bin handles the mess for you, so you spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying your home. Perfect for busy households, pet owners, or anyone who wants effortless cleaning that actually works. Smart, fast, and powerful, the NARWAL Flow doesn't just clean, it transforms your home. Stop scrubbing, start relaxing, and let this robot do the work for you. Don't wait. Click the link below for the best price and bring home the future of effortless cleaning today. Your floors and your free time will thank you.